Well, I'm not sure if you saw over on my other channel, I did a test on water slide stickers and how to make them and how to use them. And it came out really well. Now, I can't resist seeing how well it works in resin, because it's really going to be an absolute game changer for me if they work in resin as well as they work on what I use them for. These are the water stickers I made, and these are just the normal stickers that I made using a clear sticker paper. So easy to use. Check out the video, it's on my other channel. I'll link it at the end of this one. So I'm going to do 4 different experiments with this, and I'll show you what I'm going to do as we go along. So the first thing I'm going to do is prepare my molds for the first experiment. This one is for the water slide and this one is for the sticker. And what I'm going to do is place the items directly onto the mold and see when the resin cures if it will pick it up. That's the sticker, pushing that down really well. I've got a funny feeling this won't work, this one, but we can only try, and we don't know unless we try. And this is the water slide one, so I have to prepare that first by popping that into some warm water for 30 to 60 seconds. So that should be enough now. All I need to do is take that off, place that there like that, wherever I want it, and then remove the backing. It's actually a lot easier than you would think. So you can just move that back in like that and place that item on the mold like that. Now we can take this is quite robust, a lot more robust than I thought it would be. Now we can take a piece of kitchen paper or kitchen towel and then just dab off any of the moisture and let that dry. And it says to let it dry naturally, so once it's dry it won't move, it will be adhered to there. So this resin is a 1-to-1 mix. I've marked on my large bowl how much I want of each one. If you want to know where I get these large bowls from, they're in my kit, and the link for my kit is in the description below. I'm going to mix this up until it's thoroughly mixed, which normally takes about 3.5 to 4.5 minutes. So I've got my resin mixed up now, and what I'm going to do is pour some in. Now I want to put a coloured backing, because these are on transparent stickers and water slides. I want to put a coloured backing onto this because I think that is going to work out a little bit better, although I don't think these ones where I've attached them directly to the mold are going to work. I think these stickers are just going to stay completely on those molds, but unless we try it we don't know. So what I'm doing is leaving a little rim around here which gives me enough space to put an actual coloured backing on it. I'll leave them for a few minutes and then I'll go over it with a long neck lighter to burst any bubbles. Now these ones, what I'm going to do here is on this side I'm going to put a water slide, on this one I'm going to put a sticker, and the same on here. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to fill these up just to the base so that I've got resin, then put the sticker on, which I'll show you, and the water slide, and we can go from there. One of these is going to be transparent so we can see how it looks, and the other one is going to have a backing on. I think now this one is going to work quite well. What I don't think is the other two will. Big thank you to everyone that got me a coffee last month. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. You really do keep me going. I love the messages you send, so if you get me a coffee, please leave a message. I love reading them. It makes my day. Now I'm just going to go around with a little silicone tool all the way around, and these also come in my kit as well because they're so useful, and get rid of any of the bubbles that have hopefully not stuck to the edges. Get them to come up. This one has like a little chisel end on it, so it's not going to damage your mold in any way, shape or form, but this little chisel end will disrupt these bubbles and make them come up to the top. And the same for this one. See, it's got a little scoop chisel end on it. All we need to do is, once you've done that, is give it a wipe with the baby wipe, and then go over them with a long neck lighter. We'll let them cure up, and then we'll do the next bit. Well, these have all cured enough now for me to put the stickers on them and then put the next coat on. I've got some warm water here, and I'm just soaking the water slide stickers there, and I want to put exactly the same ones on here as well. So I'm going to quickly cut those out, and then stickers there, water slide there. Well, they've had long enough in there now. All I've got to do is take them out. And the water slide has got to go this side. So let's pop that one on there. These have come out absolutely beautiful. They really have. So now I've cut those out, I'm just going to pop the stickers in as well on the sticker side, making sure that's all completely stuck down. And I'll do the same on the other one. I've got my resin mixed up now, and this is the one that I'm going to do without any background at all, so we can use it as a comparison. It's still got the sticker in, and it's still got the water slide. So I'm slowly going to fill this right up to the very edge of this mould. Probably over pour it, because that's what I always do. Let any bubbles come up that are going to come up, and then I'll pop those bubbles with a long neck lighter. Never a torch, remember? Not with a mould. That looks about right. Now what I'm going to do for this one is I'm going to add some white to it. I'm going to add the Let's Resin opaque white pigment in it. Give that a bit of a mix round, and now I'm going to add some white mica powder to it as well. And make sure I give that a really good mix, because last thing I want is any clumps of mica powder in it, but I never mix it well enough. And don't fret if you don't. One of them things in it. And these two, I really don't think are going to work. They're the ones where we stuck the items down first, but we will see. I just need to cover the backs of these, and the same for this one as well. Go over them with a long neck lighter. I'll leave them overnight to dry. I can't wait to see what they look like. Pause the video now and let me know in the comments what you think, if it's going to work where we put the ones straight onto the mould rather than pour a bit and then do them. I don't think it's going to work, but we will see. Right, we'll come back to those as soon as they're cured. Well, these have all cured now, and I'm really excited about seeing what they look like and how they've worked, especially these ones where I put them straight on the mould. I don't think they're going to have worked, but we'll see. So the first one is the clear one. So that's the water slide, that one there, and that's the stickers. And I think that's come out really well. They've both come out really well, and actually they show up a lot better than I thought they would do, considering they were printed on transparent water slide and transparent stickers. But it looks quite nice. Now let's have a look at the one with the backing. Oh, that has come out beautiful. Look at that. So we've got the water slide and we've got the stickers. I do find the stickers ones have a little bit more vibrant colour. They're a bit brighter, but I still love the way they've come out, and they've worked perfectly in there. Absolutely perfectly. I would say, more than anything, the water slide ones are probably better in a way, because under the sticker one I can see that I've got trapped air, where with the water slide ones I was able to push that air out and get a much better adhesion to the resin, because you can see there's some little trapped air bubbles. So let's have a look at this one. This is the water slide one. Oh, is it going to work? No, I don't think it is, but we'll see. Oh my god! Oh, look at that. That has worked. How amazing is that? And that is actually embedded slightly into that resin. So that resin has gone into that water slide paper. I didn't think that would work. I will definitely be using that again. That has come out lovely. I love that little dragon. He's so cute. I'm not sure about the sticker one, because the sticker one stuck really quite firm. That's really surprised me. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That has worked too. The only trouble is I can still feel the sticky from the sticker on there. So that is no good. That's not going to work. But the water transfer one, water slide one, has worked so well. I am so pleased with that. But I didn't think this one would work, but it has. But it's still sticky. So you'd have to try and get rid of that stickiness. Let's see if we can do that with a bit of alcohol. I can't believe they both work. This is a lot of faffing though, trying to get rid of it with a bit of alcohol, when you could just do it anyway with the water slide. Yeah, that has got rid of it. That's got rid of the sticky. Let me know in the comments whether you were surprised or not. I am very surprised. And let me know in the comments what you think. I love this, and I certainly will be making some more designs and printing my own designs up. It's a lot cheaper than buying stickers, and they've all worked. So this one did take a little bit more work, because I've had to rub that sticky off. But that one, well, I'm just shocked. I'm really shocked. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. I think this will be a game changer for me, and I'm sure it will be for you too if you've not already tried this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, but most of all, enjoy your resin. Bye.